So I'm here at the boat landing, getting ready to take my surf boat trip out to like El Faro, La Lancha. We'll see. It's a cloudy day, so I typically don't like clouds, but it makes it cooler here, so it's not so hot. So I like clouds here. Woohoo! Cool little holding area for the surfboards, so they stay out of the way. Alright, here we go. Woo-hoo. We're on our way to El Faro, because it's far away. Big for me. So, and then to hit it off, just. Okay, here goes nothing here. Woo! Oh, it's so chilly. Oh, we're not near like California water. Okay.
She's gonna scream cornbread right now. Okay, Jennifer. Jennifer, this one.
Surfboard, and I just finished. Caught a few waves, really not that great, but I was just scared of the rocks. But I wanted to check it off my bucket list, so I did. Woohoo! So good, yeah.
Amazing, man. I like it this way. This way we can only one time per year. Only the winter.
Only the winter?
Now.
Yeah.
Now it's the winter, so the last week waves are really good. Like,
I probably wouldn't have been able to handle overhead, but yeah.
I serve right here all the week because all the week are
Alright, we're headed back. Headed back to the hotel. But I'll get the big fancy around those rocks versus up on top of them. But there are rocks underneath the ground, and I fell in the water and I got all wet, and so I'm like, forget that. But then my shoes were wet, and I
sometimes I take my board, my shoulder, and walk onto the. I needed the beach man.
yeah.
And sometimes waves is really good. When the waves are like big waves. Friends and I walking like all the way to the shop and going to the beach.
It was low tide, so it was easy. Now it's high.
We're right here. Over there, you need the rock. It's hard.
We're going back. We're going back again.
Good.
So I just got done with a good, authentic Mexican meal. True fajitas, meat, carne. I'm a little bit tired of seafood. That's all I've had. I need to mix it up. So now I'm going to go up to our balcony and watch the sunset. It's kind of a different view because you have to twist your head to the right, but Yeah, that's where we're going. It's a little bar area, a grill. This is where the magic is happening. Right now, there's a good sunset view here. We're gonna get a good picture of it. Look at all those surfers in the lineup. Woo! It's a packed lineup there with all those birds. Pelicans. It was a cloudy day, but you still get a great, amazing sunset view because the west is over that way. So it's kind of refreshing because when you're surfing, you're not like looking into the sun constantly. Because I usually surf afternoons, so I'm always looking into the sun. But a lot of boats out there still, the surfing birds looking for fish, dinner. You can see on close view all the way out there. See if you can see the sign, the hotel. Woohoo! And that's that. Chillaxing now on the chair, watching the sunset till it doesn't glow anymore. Bird, pelican. Pelicans dominating the scene here.